Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you some of the components that make up the XC-623. Here at the top left, we have all of our power switches. We have our main power switch, our pump power switch, and our probe, filter, and auxiliary power switches. Below this, we have our probe, filter, and auxiliary temperature controllers. Further below, we have our TC channel switch. These channels include auxiliary, stack, probe, filter, exit, and meter temperature. Moving down, we have our thermocouple inlets, our 1/4 inch sample inlet, our power cable inlet, and a military grade power connector for our probe, filter, and auxiliary power. We also have a flow control valve. This is the coarse valve. And we have another flow control valve, the fine adjustment valve. And above this, we have our vacuum gauge. We have our main circuit reset switch here at the bottom right. We have a rotometer and a calibration results table beside it. We have a membrane switch that controls the function on the screen of the console, as well as the screen itself. Below the screen, we have a contrast adjustment that controls the contrast of our screen.